When we lose the land, when a man is disconnected from the land, he's often disconnected from himself. Because food is not just fuel, it is relationship, it is rhythm, it is participation with life. When we no longer grow what we eat, we begin to forget how life actually works. We forget that everything alive moves in cycles. Birth, growth, bloom, fruit, death, return. And something in us starts to flatten. Time becomes linear. Life becomes abstract. We become observers instead of participants. But when a man returns to the soil, even in a small garden, even in a single bed of earth, something reawakens. He sees life respond to care. He sees patience become form. He sees invisible effort become visible nourishment. And slowly he remembers, this is also how he is made, not separate from nature's cycles, but inside them. There are seasons within him too. Times of planting, when nothing looks like progress, yet everything is. Times of growth, when effort begins to take shape. Times of bloom, when life expresses itself outwardly. Times of harvest, when creation becomes nourishment. And even times of decay, when what was must be released so something new can begin. To grow food is to be reminded that nothing in life is static. Not identity, not purpose, not the self. Everything is becoming. And so is he. And in that remembering, something returns. Not perfection, but participation. Not control, but trust in his own becoming. The sovereign man does not escape the cycles of life. He learns to live inside them consciously. And in doing so, he becomes fertile with his own renewal.